Bissell power force. And I did take the handle off so it would fit in a bag. So I'll put it together and I'll be back. And of course I'll put my mask on. Got my mask on. Bissell CleanView Helix. Looks like it's got some sort of filter here. The on and off switch is here. Let's start it up. Brush bar is working. Somehow that motor doesn't sound exactly right. Do that again. Should have a little bit more suction though. Yeah, it could use a little bit more suction. Let's have a look here what's going on here with this. That could use a cleaning for sure. That's where all the loss of suction is, right here. I think the wind is going right for the camera lens, but I'll try to be very... You can see it coming off there. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's why I wear a mask. If I bang that, can't. Yeah, I gotta take this out in the middle of the yard and bang it out. I also shake this out too. How's that little filter down in there? Sounds okay. You can see something's been leaking for the amount of dust right in there. And see if my camera can pick that up. Yeah, I'll lift the camera up a bit here. Okay. What's that one like? Could use a little cleaning. You can wash this in water, but make sure you put it out in the sun to dry completely. Because if you don't, it'll be like a magnet, the wet filter to dust. And the same thing with this one. I'm going to try without no filter for a second. Look at that. Okay, I'll leave the filters out. Now see how much suction I got. Oh yeah, way more suction for sure. Might as well have a look at the filter on this side while I'm here. It's like a HEPA filter. I could use a, see the dust in there? You could wash this off also and put it out to dry. My bang is gonna, yeah. So you can see the dust inside here. Gonna take a bunch of screws off and lift the plate off. That definitely needs a good clean. Let's see if the bearings are good in it, if it rolls good. Not too bad. Right in there is where it gets wound up with hair in there. And the other side too. Cut the hair off and then give this a cleaning with the wire brush. Belt is still good. I wonder if this hose is plugged at all. Come off. Little stick. You can just push it through and see you clean it. Yeah, there's dust in there, but not enough to plug it. And the top hose, this one here, just drop something down here and see if it comes out the other end. The thing's got quite a bit of dust, but this is the part that this is the air blowing out of the motor, and there's dust in there, so there's going to be dust in the motor for sure. And if that happens, then you know, you get dust back in your room as you're cleaning. So I think I'm going to dismantle the whole machine. Push a screwdriver, undo the clip. See how much dust there is in the machine? If even the light bulb is full of dust. Just take a screwdriver, pry up here. This piece comes off. Unscrewed the 4 of these. Now the caps will come off. One is right, one is left. You can watch this. Now we're going to get at the motor. Screws here, there, there. Let's see. There's the motor. And yep, it is dusty. Have a look. Not as bad as I figured. Right in here you want to get Q-tips for the turbine, clean it up. But don't wash this. You can blow it out with air. You can wash the vibration, right? As I'm tapping it, I can see the dust coming off it.